Ever wondered how essential your liver is to your overall health and well-being? This remarkable organ tucked away on the right side of your abdomen is a powerhouse of functions, tirelessly working to keep your body in balance. It detoxifies harmful substances, aids in digestion, stores vital nutrients, and even helps control cholesterol levels. But just like any other part of your body, your liver needs care and attention. An unhealthy liver can lead to a host of problems, including liver disease, which can have serious consequences for your health. And what's one of the best ways to care for your liver? That's right, your diet. What we eat plays a crucial role in maintaining liver health. Foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats can help cleanse and rejuvenate your liver. So are you ready to discover the top foods that can help cleanse your liver? The first two liver-friendly foods on our list are garlic and grapefruit. Let's start with the humble garlic. This pungent little powerhouse has been a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets for centuries. What makes garlic so beneficial for liver health? It's all about the allicin, a compound that's released when a garlic clove is crushed. This potent component activates liver enzymes, which help to flush out toxins from the body. And that's not all. Garlic is also loaded with selenium, a mineral that boosts antioxidant action in the body, further aiding the liver in its detoxification processes. Now, imagine combining the liver-cleansing power of garlic with a glass of fresh grapefruit juice. It's a nutrient cocktail your liver is going to love. Grapefruit, with its high content of vitamin C and antioxidants, works wonders for your liver. This juicy fruit aids in the natural detoxification process of the liver. Its unique properties help to lower inflammation, increase the production of detoxification enzymes, and protect the liver from damage. Grapefruit also contains a flavonoid known as naringenin, which causes the liver to burn fat rather than store it. This is great news for those of you looking to maintain a healthy weight. And yes, it's the same compound that gives grapefruit its slightly bitter taste. So the next time you cringe at the tartness of your grapefruit juice, remember it's that very bitterness that's working wonders for your liver. Incorporating these two foods into your diet is pretty straightforward. Dice some garlic into your salad or stir fry, or if you're feeling adventurous, try consuming a raw clove first thing in the morning. As for grapefruit, enjoy it as a breakfast side, a refreshing juice, or even as a tangy addition to your salad. Eating these foods not only tastes great, but your liver will thank you too. Remember, the path to a healthy liver doesn't have to be a chore. It can start with simple, delicious choices like garlic and grapefruit. So, the next time you're in the grocery store, give these two a second glance. Your liver is sure to thank you. Next up, we have beets and carrots. Two vibrant vegetables that not only add a pop of color to your plate, but also bring with them a wealth of benefits for your liver. Let's start with beets. These wonderfully bright root vegetables are packed with plant flavonoids, potent compounds that improve the overall function of the liver. Now, you might be wondering, how do these flavonoids work their magic? Well, these naturally occurring compounds help stimulate and improve overall liver function by enhancing the liver's ability to eliminate toxins from your body. That's right, eat your beets, and you're giving your liver a helping hand in doing its job. Moving on to carrots. The vibrant orange color in carrots is courtesy of a compound called beta-carotene. This compound is a type of antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. And guess what? Vitamin A plays a crucial role in preventing liver disease. But the benefits of carrots don't stop there. They're also rich in plant flavonoids and vitamin A, both of which assist the liver in flushing out toxins. Plus, carrots are high in fiber, which supports digestion and aids in maintaining a healthy liver by reducing its toxin load. So, imagine combining the power of both beets and carrots in your meals. You're not just treating your taste buds to a delightful culinary experience, but you're also giving your liver a significant health boost. Think about it. A beet and carrot salad, a hearty beetroot and carrot soup, or even a refreshing beet and carrot juice. The possibilities are endless, and your liver will thank you for it. Remember, these vegetables are not just food, they're a delicious form of preventive medicine, helping your liver stay healthy and function at its best. Adding these vibrant veggies to your meals can significantly contribute to a healthier liver. So, the next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to include beets and carrots. Your liver will thank you for it. Green tea and avocados also make it to our list of liver-friendly foods. Let's dive a little deeper into these two. Firstly, green tea. This aromatic beverage is not just a comforting drink to enjoy, it's a powerhouse of benefits, especially when it comes to liver health. The secret weapon here is a group of antioxidants known as catechins. These potent compounds are found abundantly in green tea and have been extensively studied for their health-promoting properties. So how do catechins help your liver? Well, they're known to assist in reducing oxidative stress by neutralizing harmful free radicals. This means they can help protect your liver cells from damaging substances. Moreover, some research suggests that catechins could even support the overall function of the liver, aiding in the detoxification process. Now let's talk about avocados. Often considered a superfood, avocados bring a lot more to the table than their creamy texture and delectable taste. They're rich in a variety of nutrients, including a particular antioxidant called glutathione. Glutathione is often referred to as the master antioxidant. It plays a crucial role in helping the liver detoxify harmful substances, and avocados are a great source of it. By enhancing the levels of glutathione in the body, you're essentially giving your liver a helping hand in its detoxification duties. Not to mention, avocados are high in healthy fats and fiber, which can further support liver health. They help to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, both of which are beneficial for the liver. So the next time you're brewing a cup of green tea or slicing up an avocado, remember the powerful benefits these foods have for your liver. They're not just delicious, but they're also working hard behind the scenes to support one of the most vital organs in your body. Enjoying a cup of green tea or adding some avocado to your salad could be a step towards better liver health. Apples and olive oil are another great pair for your liver. Let's delve into the magic of apples first. Apples, as you may know, are rich in fiber. But did you know that this high fiber content plays a crucial role in your liver's health? Well, it does. Fiber aids the liver by enhancing its ability to process toxins. It's like giving your liver a good scrub, removing unwanted substances and ensuring it operates at peak efficiency. But the goodness of apples doesn't stop there. This humble fruit also contains a wealth of antioxidants. Antioxidants are like the body's personal cleanup crew, helping to combat the harmful effects of free radicals that can cause damage to your cells, including those in your liver. Now, let's move on to the olive oil, the liquid gold of the Mediterranean. Olive oil is loaded with healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats. These fats are known to provide a protective effect on the liver. They help reduce inflammation and may even slow down the progression of liver disease. Apart from the healthy fats, olive oil is also rich in vitamin E and antioxidants. The antioxidants, similar to those found in apples, help to fight off harmful free radicals that can damage your liver. Meanwhile, vitamin E has been found to protect the liver from certain diseases and improve its overall function. So, when you pair apples with olive oil, you're combining the fiber-rich, antioxidant-packed power of apples with the healthy fats and vitamin E of olive oil. It's a dynamic duo that packs a powerful punch for liver health. But remember, it's not just about your liver. These foods are beneficial for your overall health too. Fiber from apples can help maintain a healthy digestive system and keep your cholesterol levels in check. The healthy fats in olive oil can help lower the risk of heart disease and maintain healthy cholesterol levels. With these foods, you're not just taking care of your liver, but your overall health too. Last but not least, we have whole grains and cruciferous vegetables. Whole grains are a powerhouse of nutrients that include B vitamins, iron, and fiber. These nutrients play a significant role in maintaining the overall health of your liver. B vitamins, for instance, help the body with the breakdown and absorption of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. This process assists in reducing the strain on the liver by allowing it to metabolize these compounds more efficiently. Iron, on the other hand, is a mineral that aids in the production of liver enzymes. These enzymes are essential for the detoxification process and also help in the conversion of nutrients into energy. And then there's fiber. Fiber is like the unsung hero of liver health. It aids digestion and helps to keep your weight in check, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy liver. Now let's talk about cruciferous vegetables. This group of veggies includes broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are rich in glucosinolates, compounds that stimulate the liver to produce detoxifying enzymes that block free radicals. Free radicals are harmful substances that can cause damage to cells and tissues in the body. By stimulating the liver to produce enzymes that neutralize these substances, glucosinolates help to protect the liver from damage. This process is called liver detoxification. Cruciferous vegetables are also high in fiber and low in calories. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. And as we've already discussed, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for liver health. It's important to remember that while these foods are beneficial for liver health, they should be part of a balanced diet. Consuming them in excess can cause other health issues. As always, moderation is key. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly improve and maintain your liver health. Let's recap the top foods for liver health we discussed today. We kicked off our journey with garlic and grapefruit, two powerhouse foods packed with compounds that activate liver enzymes for flushing out toxins. Garlic, with its sulfur-containing compounds, and grapefruit, rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, are both excellent for liver detoxification. Next, we moved on to beets and carrots, both rich in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene. They stimulate and improve overall liver function, helping your liver work at its best. Then there was green tea, a beverage renowned for its high levels of catechins, an antioxidant known to assist liver function. Not to be forgotten, avocados, a superfood rich in glutathione, a compound that is crucial for liver cleansing. Our journey continued with apples, high in pectin, a chemical that helps the body cleanse and release toxins from the digestive tract, easing the liver's job. Similarly, olive oil, though to be used in moderation, provides a lipid base that can suck up harmful toxins in the body, thereby easing the load on the liver. Finally, we had whole grains, rich in B-complex vitamins, improving fat metabolization and liver decongestion. And let's not forget cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, which increase the amount of glucosinolate in our bodies, helping in enzyme production for digestion and flushing out carcinogens and other toxins. Each of these foods offers unique benefits, so it's important to incorporate a variety of them into your diet. Remember, balance is key. Overconsumption of any one food can have adverse effects, so always aim for a well-rounded, balanced diet. And that, folks, is a wrap on the top foods for liver health. I hope this information guides you in making healthier, more informed choices for your liver and overall well-being. Remember, a healthy diet is key to a healthy liver, so make sure to incorporate these foods into your meals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons, and also click on the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop a new video. If you find value in my videos, you can show your support through PayPal or Cash App. The link are in the descriptions. See you next time.